Absa is committed to being an active force for good in everything that we do.
Our shareholders, which are global, being an international bank, our board, regulators, everybody expect us to do that.
And the reason for that is because Absa is uniquely placed as a Pan-African bank to help our customers and to help our service providers adapt to the challenges that are presented through the likes of climate change and social inequality.
Our approach to it is to win hearts and minds, is to make sure that in everything we do every day, we include the sustainability part in it.
So our strategy on sustainability centers around three key areas. The first one is sustainable finance.
If you take renewable energy, it's not just clean, but it's also now an affordable means to accessing energy. And it's linked to a lot of SDG goals beyond just the environment.
There is a responsibility on us as well to be able to provide technical expertise, assistance for companies to do that.
So how do we help our customers in the market in confronting the challenges that they face with regards to climate change?
We can't expect people to change, but then when it comes to funding, we don't do that. So we've got a clear agenda of what we want to do.
We've disbursed almost R1 billion Mauritian rupees in electric and hybrid vehicles. For solar renewable project, we've got a very good pipeline, and we're seeing a lot of interest in green building.
The second one is operationally, how do we do the right thing in terms of how we go about our business practices, our own carbon footprint, and diversity, equity and inclusion in who we employ and how we treat those employees.
So it's important that we live this agenda ourselves day in, day out.
Helping our customers transition to more sustainable ways of doing business, more sustainable ways of living, and also winning the hearts and minds of our own people.
In terms of employee commute, we have introduced a special offer for our colleagues to transit to electric mobility. And you can also see in our parking lot, we've got a solar-powered car park, which also allows to charge electric vehicles.
So igniting excitement and a greater sense of awareness across our colleagues, how they front up to customers, to be seen as ambassadors of change in Mauritius.
In terms of creating momentum and driving behavior, we believe target setting is quite important.
So the commitment from a group perspective is to be net zero by 2050. A little bit closer to home, Mauritius, we're a bit more impatient, and we really want to focus on our own operational emissions.
We've got a commitment to disburse at least 30 billion Mauritian rupees to promote transition to a low carbon economy. And what we're doing is we're building on capacity both from a people and system perspective. And one key area we are investing a lot is digital.
We are now focusing on hard quantitative metrics across our sustainability agenda that get tracked every month, every quarter, reported from management to our board to show what progress we're making. And this drives financial inclusion, but it also lessens the impact on the environment through reducing paper, reducing the number of customers that are getting into cars, coming to banks. It's a more convenient way of banking, and we're really proud of the progress that we're making in the digital space. And then finally, importantly, is how do we make a really tangible, positive impact in the communities that we operate in.
We are committed to promote diversity, equity and inclusion. We are also a signatory to the National Committee of Corporate Governance Charter that brings an accountability but also gives us the impetus to do better in this area.
We've always believed in giving back to society. We've always believed in empowering people. And so we're working very, very closely with a number of NGOs and so on to ensure we're also supporting society and the community in which we operate. And that's not only about writing check, it's also getting involved in those projects, getting our employees to participate in that.
And finally, actually tracking the tangible benefits of those efforts and investments.
Just money is not going to cut it.
If you're a customer or employee, you want to be part of a bank that is doing good. You want to be part of something that's bigger.
But also touch on the heart to allow that mindset shift to happen.
And that's Absa's commitment. We believe that if we achieve that connection, we will create a better tomorrow.